So in a previous video I showed you the set of metallic accents which look like these. Yummy, yummy. And they do come also as a set of metallic accent pastel. So this is the pastel, this is the just non-pastel. I'm going to do a comparison on the opposite page of this Black Dilution journal so you can see what they look like, and I've already soaked them up a little bit with water. Let's start from the top. They're just really creamy and beautiful. So this is like a light gold. This is like a light turquoise. Let's do the next one. Beautiful. Oh, honestly, I just get so excited using these. They are stunning. Just put a bit more water. It's a bit warm today. And it's amazing how creamy they are. This is amazing. Oh my god. I use them all the time. I just got a set for the mixed media store, my art supply store, just to try them out because I hadn't heard about them a lot, so I wanted to see for myself. I didn't think I would care very much, but honestly I use them all the time. I think you will too if you get a set for yourself, because the colors are really vibrant and it's just so easy to add a little bit of metallic on your journal pages with these. Of course you can do complete paintings, but I'm not a watercolor artist and this is how I use them. So I'm just going to dry these up, and this is what they look like fully dry. Now remember, they're on black paper, so a little bit more intense than they may appear on white paper or just light colored paper, but nevertheless they are absolutely gorgeous. And if you like me, you'll get a set and love it so much that you'll get the second one right away. But make sure you go to mixedmediastore.com.au and we have them ready for you.